Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. Millions of people all around the world love the common and tasty food known as the banana. In addition to being delicious, they are also a great source of vital nutrients that our bodies require in order to operate effectively. What are spread through if you consume 2 bananas this day? We will look at the advantages and disadvantages of eating 2 bananas per day in this video. Let's start by looking at the advantages of eating bananas. Potassium, which improves heart health and assists in controlling blood pressure, is abundant in bananas. Additionally, they contain a lot of fiber, which promotes the digestion and may decrease cholesterol. In addition, bananas are a good source of vitamin C, vitamin B6 and magnesium. While vitamin B6 aids in production of red blood cells in our bodies, vitamin C is crucial for a strong immune system, the growth of strong bones and the healing of wounds. Both require magnesium. However, the disadvantage through the fact that 2 bananas per day might have a pretty high sugar content is a possible drawback. Even if this sugar is natural and not the refined verified included in processed foods, it's still crucial to monitor your overall sugar consumption, particularly if you have diabetes or other medical problems that call for you to monitor your blood sugar levels. Bananas' high calories content in comparison to other food is another factor to take into account. This is something to keep in mind if you are attempting to lose weight, even though it should not be a huge problem if you are eating a balanced diet and exercising sufficiently. So, what's the final word? Total, as long as you are conscious of your total sugar and calories intake, adding 2 bananas to your diet every day may be a healthy and delightful addition. Pack up a banana for a quick, simple snack that is bursting with beneficial elements. Your body will thank you. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you have not already done. So thanks for watching and see you next time.